Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DigitalOcean app platform for REST API, beginner guide step by step clearly. Create a DigitalOcean account if you haven't already. Log in to the DigitalOcean dashboard. Click on the apps option on the left sidebar. Select the Create App button to start a new application. Choose your GitHub, GitLab, or Docker repository where your REST API project is hosted. Authenticate your GitHub or GitLab account if prompted. Once authenticated, select the specific repository that contains your REST API code. In the Select a Branch dropdown, choose the branch you want to deploy. Click the Next button to proceed. Now configure your app settings. Select the service type as web service to host your API. Choose the appropriate environment, typically production for a live API. Set the build command if needed, or leave it blank for default settings. Specify the run command. This usually corresponds to the command that starts your REST API server. In the HTTP port, enter the port your API listens on, typically port 80. Next, configure scaling options based on your expected load. You can adjust the instance size depending on your performance requirements. Select the region closest to your expected users for optimal performance. Click Next to continue. On the next screen, set up your database if your REST API requires one. Opt for the Add a Database option to configure a PostgreSQL or MySQL database. Provide a name for your database and configure size as needed. Click Next after setting up your database. Now you'll review your app configuration. Make sure all settings, such as the repository and build commands, are correct. Once you have confirmed everything, click Create App to deploy your application. Your app will start building and deploying. This process may take a few minutes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.